So in this workshop, we try to combine how city, a campus, and sustainability can be combined, so that in the end, sustainability is the guidance that will lead us to a co-creative, co-living and integrated campus.
How is the future campus connected to the immediate neighborhood, the city and the region?
What does a future place of science look like?
How is a citizen invited to participate in campus research or practice?
How can knowledge be provided to everyone involved?
How can your future or the future of the next generation as researchers be supported by digital tools?
What kind of system-serving businesses, products or services are needed for a place like that?
How is practiced what is preached?
Hi, I'm Ira. I'm from the University of Duisburg-Essen from the Joint Center of Urban Systems. My background is in civil engineering and sustainable urban development.
I'm Anne. I'm a researcher and designer at the Wuppertal Institute.
Hi, I'm Christoph from the Volkwang University of Arts and I'm an industrial designer.
To challenge your ideas, we will connect you with experts in the field.
We asked the question, how can we practice what is preached?